This is Nokia C31, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can check your data usage on this device. So to begin with, you will need to launch settings, then enter the network and internet category. In here, go for the internet, or excuse me, not the internet. You will need to rather go for the SIMs section and choose the SIM card that you wanted to check the data usage for. And at the following page, you'll be able to check the general amount of mobile data used with this SIM card, should I rather say. You can also see the app data usage statistics over here, if there is any mobile data used. And that will be it, I guess. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.